Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be doing a lot. Come and spend our day with us. Woo! We are baking a cake. I have 120 pieces meat pies order, cake as well. I'll be cooking soup or rice soup. Here my meat is already be cooking. Come with me, let's wash our cocoyam and the banga and get it ready for our oha soup.
Mommy, let me do me a video. No.
Mama?
So delicious. Very delicious.
Happy, don't say it. I call it a good see. Leave her, leave that. Some of the most beautiful moments aren't perfect. They are simple, real. Join us for a cozy day in our home here in Dakar, Senegal, where every meal is made with love. Every chores is done with care and every smile makes the day brighter. Home is where love grows. Meals brings everyone together and little moments becomes precious memories. Come spend this beautiful day with us as a family of three living in Dakar, Senegal. We hope our day brings a smile to yours. A busy mom, three amazing kids, a clean home, delicious food, and a homemade cake. This is what our day looks like. Spend the day with us. In another video, you get to meet them and know their names. My crayfish
Your
I bought from Nigeria.
Nigeria. Don't touch it, mommy.
Ubakera. Iji hụ nta ma ihe na-enye m nsogbu. Ichipụ ọnụ. This is how I store my crayfish anytime I got it.
Yes.
So that it will be more safe.
And then you would be delicious. We eat it avec our soup. Ah, mommy.
Helen, don't open for me. Leave it. I say leave it. Come and eat my leftover okra soup with me. I'm eating Gary. Yeah. For lunch.
Non, c'est pas mon problème. C'est elle qui a dit.
Thank you for watching.